The next step in our reno was to replace our old temporary door with the final passage doors that we had ordered, along with the windows. The frames for these doors were a little bit unconventional compared to a traditional entry door. And unfortunately, when I was making the changes on site to account for the thicker frames, I made the opening just a touch too tight here. So I ended up having to route a couple of holes on the sides of the door jambs to allow for the brackets to clear properly and for the door to be plumb and square and all that good stuff. Took a little while to figure out what was going on, but we did end up getting it installed and it's working great. Thankfully, the back door, we didn't have the same issues. It went in no problem. And really the main issue was making sure that we got everything as weather tight as we could and getting the door sill wrapped up since it's much closer to the ground.